Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, February 18, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, February 18, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng February 18, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. the result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, February 18, 2026. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for February 18, 2026, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, February 18, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.